Hello. In this video we will be showing you how to access British Journal of Sports Medicine on and off campus. On the main library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of e-resources available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just click on the British Journal of Sports Medicine logo to be taken to that page. Now on the British Journal of Sports Medicine page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the British Journal of Sports Medicine website. Next to the search bar on the top right of the screen, there's a login button. Just select that. You will now see that there's a few options in which you can log in. For this process, we need you to just select the Login via Institution button. You will now be asked to select your institution's location. From the list of options available, just select UK Access Management Federation. And when it asks you to select your institution, from the list of options available, just scroll down until you can find North West Regional College and select that. And then finally, just hit the select button. Finally, you'll find yourself on the following screen asking you for your username and password. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by the password, and then finally click the login button.